let's look at this one. Now, I wanted to focus at this one. This one means 0 to 60. And this one means there are 23 cars. So, Hanish, do you agree that 0 to 60, there are 23 cars? My question is, 55 to 56, 55 to 60 kilometers, how many cars is that? What must you do? You must take 23 minus 1. Can you see that? 23 minus 1. Can you see that? That's why I got 22. But my question is, if I want to take 60 to 65, I want to know this number. What must I do? First, I must read this number again, right? 65. 65 means from 0 all the way to 65 is how many cars? 56. So from 0, this is 56 cars. My question is 60 to 65. 56 minus 23. Can you understand? So do you minus the 22? No, you don't. You understand? So this is 56 minus 23, and this is how much? David King, how much? How much? 56 minus 23. 33. Okay, so you follow this idea. Now, if I follow this idea, can you tell me 70 onwards? 70 onwards. I know I add this 3 number is wrong. Again, I know I add this 3 number is wrong. But what is the correct answer? 116 minus 93. Right? Because 93 means 0 to 70. This one means 0 to 85. Can follow? Huh? Yeah. I'm very slow. Huh? So this is wrong. So the correct answer should be 116 minus 93. And what's the answer? 23 cars. With speed more than or equal to 70, or rather more than 70 kilometers per hour. Now, next question. I want percentages. 23 over what number times 100%? Is this correct? 116. Is it correct? Is it 116 or is it everything must add together? 116. There is no. They don't have so many cars. So it's just 116. What's the answer? Huh? Thank you. Degree? Now, there is one very important statement that Khalis mentioned that is on top here. They already tell you is 116 cars. Okay? So if you so silly, you go and add the numbers together, then you realize it doesn't make sense. Because they already tell you total is 116 car. So you want to highlight the 116 also. Okay? Now, in the 15 of you, your exam paper must be a lot. Question paper must be a lot of coloring, a lot of circle. A lot of red pen, circle, highlight, underline. Because I want you all to read carefully. Read carefully on the question. Next question. Now, next, I'm going to introduce you to you. Introduce to you, what does this line mean? Now, this one means cumulative frequency curve. This one means cumulative frequency curve. But before we want to understand, I want you to read the question. It says, this one shows the speed of what? 500 car in a speed camera, and then use the graph to calculate the number of car with speed less than or equal to 60. Now, so I want you to zoom into this. Now, Hu Jing, tell us on the horizontal axis means what? Speed. What about the vertical axis? You say cumulative frequency, but what does cumulative frequency means? How many cars? Can follow? So this one means car. This one means speed. So this is my speed, and this is my cars. This is my speed. Now, next thing I want to introduce to you is this, like, hard pulse line. Now, this hard pulse line means is skipping. Why is it skipping? Skipping means, you see, yeah, because it start, you see, this is about 5 square, right? This is about 5 square, right? And this 5 square is 0 to 40. This 5 square is 40 to 50. So it's telling you they actually skip the graph. If I draw the graph correctly, where is the 0? Is it here or is it on the far left? It should be somewhere here. Can follow? Okay, next one. Now, how do you read this graph? Okay, I'm going to do it very slowly, and all of you must listen first. Don't care how to answer first. Listen first. And let's start with 100. Now, can you underline 100? Okay, underline 100. 100 means what? 100 kilometer or 100 cars? 100 cars. And what is this number? 50? 56. 56, So 56. 56. So I have 100 cars, I have 56 kilometer per hour. Now I want you to write two statements, and after writing these two statements, you understand the whole topic. Let's start. Now, 0 to 100. Look up first. 0 to 100. So 0 to 100 means 0 to 56. Because when I shade this, when I color this, means 0 to 100. And then I color this. Some of you will like to color the area. Up to you. Now, what am I trying to tell you? 0 to 100 cars travel the speed between 0 to 56. Can follow? So I write down. Can everyone write this down? It's very, very important. It's very, very important. 0 to 100 car travel between 0 to 56 km per hour. Now, 0 to 100 car means how many cars are there? 100, 100. This is 100 cars. Travel less than 56 kilometer per hour. I will draw a line. This is fact number 1. This is fact number 1. Now, okay, you copy first, and then we will understand the second. There's a second point. Second point, a very important one. Very important one. If you have no space, then you want to draw right beside here. Second point. Okay. Now, what's the second one? Second one means, okay, now, since we cover the bottom one, is it fair that we must cover the on top? On top, Now, what does on top means? On top means 100 to 500. Again, 100 to 500. So 100 to 500, if I were to understand what is the speed. So this one, if I plot over here, if I come down, so can you see that if I color from here, then it will refer to here. Again, if I color from 100 to 500, do you think that means it's until here? So if you color the area, you can color in two ways. You can color in this way, or you can even color the whole area. That means this one. Now, I'm trying to show you a very dramatic picture that this area of car means this speed. And the speed is between what? Is it less than 56? It's from 56 to 90. So, the second statement will be 100 to how many car? 100 to 500 car travel what to what speed? 56 to 90 kilometer per hour. If I simplify this number of car, again, if I simplify this number of car, 100 to 500, what is the answer? 400. That means 400 cars travel between 56 to 90 km per hour. Again, this first one very simple. 160 car, speed less than or equal to 60. If I ask you speed more than 60, it is still this pink line, isn't it? I still want to read from 60, and then I go up, I hit 160. But what is the answer? Is it still 160? No, because more than. More than means I want here. So more than means I must take 500 minus 160. Can you follow? So this is 500 minus 160. And what's the answer? 340. Who don't understand this one? Okay. I invent one. So I want you to understand. If I want speed less than 60, the answer is 160. This one you understand? Understand. But if I want more than, can I still, okay, see, if I want more than, that means I look at the graph. More than means I want here, right? Do you agree? That means more than means I want 60 and more. 60 and more. So 60 and more means I go up, I want 160 to 500. Again, 60 and less means I want 0 to 160. 60 and more, I want 160 and 500. If you want to make it dramatic, you can color the whole thing pink. Can follow? So, next one. What is the answer for B? Can you tell me the number of car first? 500? Number of car that is more than No. Understand the word speeding first. Speeding means is more than or less than? More. This is more. So that means if more than 70 km per hour, 160 again. Oh. Is it 160? 180. So what you want to do is 70, right? You go back to the graph, you look at 70. Let's look at 70. 70 is here. I go up. And then what's the number here? 350, right? Because it's half of the square. About 50, yeah. If I write this, is it right?
Yeah, wrong.
This is wrong. Why? Because this one means less than. Again, this one means the speed is less than 70. So this is less than or equal to 70. But if I want the car that is more than 70, what must I do? 500 minus 350, and what's the answer? 150 cars. Do you follow? Please, if you don't understand, you need to tell me. I come to you individually and I explain to you again. After I have this, I want to find the percentage. What must I do? That 1 over 500 times 100%. And what's the answer? Come again? Oh, I also don't know. 30%. Thank you.